Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2013 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 7371. It's run from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2022. It is a CSHA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, big plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CSHA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door, 1 dent each, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard has snorkel, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,